This interactive prediction tool predicts permeability from sedimentary facies and porosity. Predictions can be carried out on predefined and/or user-defined facies and associated pore type probabilities. The tool can only be carried out on multi-datasets and is therefore only available to licensed premium subscribers. A demo version is, however, available with a standard subscription. Let's take a look at the licensed version. A valid licensed company name has to be entered into the text box. We then press the Go button. The tool opens in a new tab in your web browser. The first worksheet gives some introductory instructions. The prediction tool follows in the second worksheet, and in the last worksheet the predefined sedimentary facies and associated pore type probabilities are given. In addition, there is also the possibility of assigning user-defined facies and pore type probabilities based on user experience. Let us first go to the prediction tool worksheet. Input data cells have a yellow background color, whereas the prediction data normally have a green background. Only yellow cells can be edited, all other cells are locked. We first enter or paste data into columns A to C. Data entry into column A is optional. Prediction of dominant pore types are based on sedimentary facies and associated pore type probabilities. Where two or more pore types are probable, the pore type is randomly assigned in relation to the pore type probability. The predicted dominant pore type is given in column D. The associated predicted permeability based on porosity and pore type is given in column E. The percentile or probability permeability is given in column F. Probabilities can be given as P10 to P90 in 10% increments, and this can be selected in this cell here. Predictions carried out on porosities beyond the model's data control are extrapolated and are marked by red color in column G. Be aware that calculations may take a while, so please be patient. Sedimentary facies codes and associated pore type probabilities are given in the last worksheet. The upper part of the worksheet, having white background, show the predefined data. Pore type probabilities are defined from empirical global data. The lower part of the worksheet, having yellow background, show user-defined data. Sedimentary facies codes and associated pore type probabilities may be entered here according to user experience. Let us enter a few sedimentary facies and pore type probabilities. We then switch back to the prediction tool worksheet to enter some of the user-defined facies. We'll paste in some new data here, and we will see that these new facies codes are accepted. We will in fact see that they are included in the list of available facies codes. So new facies code entries are automatically incorporated into the valid code list. We see that the calculations have been completed. And we also see that we can that user-defined facies can be used along with predefined facies. This completes this video guide.